Hi folks, this is your MWIS Fleeting View for the week ahead. A turbulent series of Atlantic weather systems is the order of play in the coming days. Monday sees a cold front, a complicated double-structured feature pushing eastwards, pushing humid air away and bringing fresher air in from the Atlantic. Temperatures then at the highest around dawn and will drop on the mountains to the middle part of single figures for most of the daytime. Add on the wind chill factor, it will feel quite a bit colder. There's some heavy rain and some showers following from the west. Running that sequence through the daytime, and the heaviest rain most extensive in the morning across Scotland, and a band of rain associated with one of those cold fronts pushing east across northern England. Some showery bursts of rain will follow, and some of those on the heavy side and frequent in western regions through the afternoon. Northeast Scotland may take until the afternoon to get rid of that early rainfall. Showers a little bit more scattered further south and east across England and Wales, but it will remain blustery throughout the daytime across the mountains here, touching gale force at times. Those winds will strengthen further across England, Wales and southern Scotland into Tuesday, with the threat of severe gale force winds, 50 to 70 miles per hour even, across the higher mountains during the day. Heavy rainfall too across western hills, a bit of a complicated story with a long extending warm front moving in. The focus of that rain across Wales, across northwest England, and maybe getting into southwest Scotland as well. It could be that much of the Highlands is more in a showery weather pattern for at least part of the day, those showers most common in the northwest, but the risk of all that rain piling northwards as time goes on. Lighter winds relatively speaking for the Highlands, but still expect rather blustery and quite cool conditions. Milder air coming in from the southwest though. The risk of some heavy rain for most places overnight and into Wednesday, and then a long trailing frontal system across England and particularly Wales during Wednesday daytime. There is uncertainty exactly where that will be positioned, but when we get these straight line features, the places underneath it will get some sustained heavy rainfall, and that brings the risk of some flooding, particularly for Wales during Wednesday. Further north, that rain should have cleared, and it's a story of showers. Those heavy and frequent, though, in western Scotland, the risk of some hail and thunder in those. Drier toward the eastern side of the Highlands. Strongest winds tending to ease through the day, but the risk of still being rather blustery and squally conditions. Some uncertainty on the depth and intensity of that low northwest of Scotland, which will dictate the wind speeds for the Highlands. That low is expected to open out into a slow-moving, circulating feature later in the week, with areas of rain and showers pretty widespread. Some heavy bursts, again the risk of some hail and thunder in some of those. Frequent across western regions, the ground then remaining very wet underfoot, and the risk of some ongoing flooding in some places. Temperatures on the cool side and may drop further at the end of the week as the airflow turns to the north temporarily. Again, areas of showers, these again on the heavy side in places, and if we do just drop to freezing point or below, we could see some hail, even some sleet or some wet snow across the highest tops in the Highlands. A possible ridge of high pressure may just get in by the time we get into Saturday, so we'll keep fingers crossed for a better day as we head into the weekend. Prepare for some challenging conditions then during this week. All your local details on our website. That is your Fleeting View. Thanks for watching.